She got dumped.
baramukatiye.
It was on her birthday.
Kuri anniversaire.
G, please.
Ibyo bintu bisaba kuka kabisa.
Yeah, that's it. That's the Rio we want to see.
Siyo mpamvu se nyine tugiye kujya gusinda hakuno bano bapanze gahunda yo kujyana gusinda wa batatu.
Those night can be good. That's right. Let's have some fun.
Twigire kwirira show, twigire kwirira ka life hakuno.
At least it's sure to be trouble-free night.
Byibura nijoro nta muntu uri budutesha umutwe tujye gusindira yacu. Mu seriveri.
Fights will be a nice change of pace.
Byibura ijoro rishobora kuza guhindura ibintu byose.
So then,
tugende twagiye tujye gusinda. Agiye kujya gusinda wa batatu hano. Do. Ebe. Kwereka hakuno ko bariya bakagiye gusinda. Hakuno naho muri ya karitsiye twakuriyemo muri kwepa Kinonko ahandi mu marigara hamwe haba abana baba marine.
What about you?
Good.
Ufite icyo kibazo ngiye meze fresh nari. Waje hano ni Alex. Alex amaje gucururuka amaje gutuza sinzi nimba mubibona.
There was no one at home.
Nta muntu wari uri mu rugo.
Thought you'd find you here.
Bitavuga intu ndagusanga hano. Kureba hano.
What's the plan?
Tuwe mupangu rero.
Tomorrow.
Ejo.
All of this will be behind me.
Ibi byose nzabisiga inyuma yanjye.
Behind you?
Inyuma yawe.
You're going to shoot him.
Uzamurasa.
Of everyone.
Uzamurasa abantu bose bareba. Haiko noneho.
Yaman.
Yaman, umpa.
Look, listen to me.
Umpa mwana nyumva.
Another way to solve this.
Hari ubundi buryo wakemura bibi bintu atari uguhubagurika. Alex asigaye azi kuriya.
Used to picking up bodies. I'm saying don't put yourself in jail over that scum.
Wa mujigaye sinshaka kuja muri gereza hejuru ya kiriya kigoryi.
Why?
Kubera
you were ready for me to be locked up in your place.
Bamfunze bundi kubushize wari wemeye ko bavuga mu kimbo cyawe. Ibiriya byararangiye wana nawe wibyegereza umutima.
Zachary Dermahan is scum who deserves to die.
Zachary Dermahan ikigoryi gikwiriye gupfa pe.
You deserve to live.
Wowe ukaba ukwiriye kubaho rero wijya kumurasira imbere y'abantu bose n'ibimenyetso n'intoki zikureba.
Need me to do.
Umva.
You look after our mother.
Urashaka nkora iki? Wowe genda wite kuri mama. Nabashiki bacu.
I trust you with Alice and Caesar.
Kandi gusigiye Alice na Caesar.
Mine is theirs.
Ibyanjye ni ibyabo, sibyo? Hanyuma.
I can trust you, right?
Nizere ko nakwizera. Sibyo mwana? Sinakwizera Alex. Sinakwizera. Alex amaze kuvamo umuntu w'umugabo nyamara. Siko n'imbwa zivamo abantu bari seriye. Menya ko umugongo wawe nzawucunga nkawurinda mwana. Menya ko ibi mbirimo. Cyo cyarabaye. Tuba twigarukira hakuno dore Zachary Dermahan bavugaga. Yano wa mukecuru aracyakorana ranashaje. Hari umuntu waruje kukureba. Steven yaje hakuno. Yaje kureba uyu mugabo Zachary Dermahan. Steven!
I hope I didn't make you wait.
Babare kuba natumye utegereza nshuti yanjye.
Shall we? We wouldn't want the food to get cold.
Numva se turye. Urashaka ibiryo bikonja se tubanze turye. Hakuno. Kwicara hano babanze barye. Abe babyigaho gake gake baye babiganiraho.
What's up, fellas?
Abasaba imeze bite wagwa?
But the two of you sitting down.
Mwembi babiri muri mu bice.
Other.
Abajinga bwe muri mu.
Tears to my eyes.
No action
Ko nta nabyize.
Silence reigns. We're at peace.
Okay then.
Twe twari turi mu mahoro. Sawa.
But I don't think peace can last.
Ayo mahoro sazamara igihe kingana ikiwe na Alex mutarashwa.
True. I totally agree with you.
Ndabyemera. Ayo mahoro ntago azaba.
Already sitting. What'll you do about it, huh?
Kuba nicaye hano sura bikora hiki. Batangira gushwana. Kigoryiwe. Uyu baramuhamagara nzakwica nkwireke. Nzakwica nkwireke.
What's up, Carla?
Kandi rurambaza iki?
Where are you? What's the point?
Bigenze bite?
Police are taking us to the station.
Batujanye kuri station ya polisi guki?
Hey girl, who's with you?
uri kumwe na
Rhea and Alice,
ndi
what
kumwe na Rhea na
the
Alice.
hell were you doing?
Mwakoze ibikize.
We were having a night out. Someone
Twe
hit
twari twigiriye gusinda.
Come on, hurry up.
Muze mudutabara ariko ubundi mbere yo kubaza ibyo ngibyo byose ngaho.
What'd they do?
Bigenze bite?
They went out for fun and got arrested.
Ngo bari bagiye gusinda none babafunze. Enya bagiye gusinda nyuma y'amasaha.
I guarantee it was the dummy Carla.
Icyo nzi cy'uburiya ni wa mujinga ngo ni Karina.
Supposed to do if she's got scum.
Karina bije mate. Karina bije mate ni mushiki wa Alex ariko Alex arabimushijije umva gucwana na n'uyu nguyu.
To that again?
Wewe utazongera kuvuga Karina nabi mwabikora kimwe mwe mwirwana. Byari byicanye aho ramvugira icyana cyanjye nawe kandi ni mushiki we. Kandi nawe ubwo ni Alice ahubwo umukobwa mukundana. Ingagare ebyiri.
Still just one snag. For now, I can't get you a record of your donation.
Jaka kanya sinabasha kukubonera record z'amafaranga yagiye utanga n'Imana wagiye utanga.
Sorry.
Nyanganire. Zakiri Dima.
That's
Se watiyo.
agreement.
I understand it's important to you to be seen as a philanthropist.
Ibyo ko tutari twabyumvikanye ndabyumva ko kugaragara neza ari ibintu bitwika imbere y'abantu ugiye gufasha. Vari
I
kabaki.
can't repay you for this.
Ariko nzakwishyurira ibi bintu.
Afraid the situation's changed.
Ibi bintu byahindutse.
At the foundation,
Fondasiyo yacu.
Ali Soysalans.
Yamana ari Soyiselani ubu ni uri kuyiyobora. Okay?
Everett's grandson.
Wa mwuzukuru wa Everett muze.
He's just a kid. How will he run it?
Uriya ni umwana azayiyobora gute se?
I think it'll be temporary.
Oya azajyaho by'agateganyo.
Guess we'll have to see.
Oye humura tuzatubibona. Gute? Ubizo.
We'll work out a deal.
Diruje kuma ni yihe imeze ite?
Maybe not.
Oya bishobora kuba nta diro.
Yaman Ali
Yamana
is
ari.
like his grandpa. The kid's as strict as Mr. Everett was.
Ashobora kuba yarasigiye imitungo na sekuru ariko ntabwo umwana akuriye imihanda azi ngo bimera bite.
Curious about him.
Cyo mwana atangiye kunera amatsiko.
I can't wait to meet him.
Sinjye uzabona duhuye
At the
kabisa.
reception.
Nitujya gutanga imfashanyo ejo. Sinjye uzabona duhuye. Yep. Hakuno. Abakire bari gusangira abakire barya badahubagurika.
Come.
Yaje mani ndani. Yamusi nicinze.
See you before I leave. Are you all right?
Umeze neza mbere yuko nta hana ari ngiye kubera iki.
Are you in pain? Shall I call your
Uri
doctor?
kuribwa mpamagara.
Why did you do this, Natalie?
Natari kuki wankorera ibintu nk'ibi?
Why did you tell George that?
Kuki wabibwiye George kweli? Eh? Yamusi nicinze.
I had to.
Byari ngombwa ko mbivuga. Byari ngombwa.
I just asked one thing from you.
Nagusabye akantu kamwe konyine kanzi.
Understand me as a mother.
Wagombaga kunyumva nka nyina w'abantu.
Olga.
Nawe nk'umugore ufite abana.
And I
Sibyo?
understand your desire to protect your child.
Genda byumva ariko ndacyafite n'umutima wo kurinda umwana wawe ariko wibuke yuko
Right.
uriya mwana atameze neza.
You can't destroy us.
Ntago waturimbura, sibyo?
Because Dennis is leaving, you know this.
Kubera ko Dennis agiye kugenda. Sibyo washakaga? Kuki?
What?
Yeah?
We are still a family.
Turacyari umuryango.
You won't be able to break us.
Ntago uzigera ubasha kudutandukanya.
I understand you just went through something traumatic.
Genda
I'm
byumva.
going to take you seriously.
I think you should.
Ibyo uvuze bivuze warake ntago ndi bubifate nkaho biri seri. Bifate nkaho biri seri rero.
I didn't take you seriously at first, you know.
Nanjye bwa mbere sinabonaga uri seri.
Don't make the same mistake I did.
Rero utaza gukora ikosa nk'iryo nakoze. Jewe byo nkubwiye ubifate nkaho biri seri. Sho. Natalie yamusi nicinze undi byamubabaje. Ubu uri kunteranya n'umugabo ngo uzamusigarane se turebe icyo bizakomera dore umugabo ari hakuno. Steven.
How are you?
I mean George, umeze gute George?
I'm not.
Cye ntago umeze neza.
You know that one time I was on the terrace and very upset, and you came to me.
uribuka umunsi nari narakaye ukaza
I
kumenya
wasn't the fragile Natalie you used to know. Do you remember that?
ukambwira ngo ntago ari we Natali usanzwe uzi yego
You're no longer the George I used to know.
nawe rero ntago ukiri wa mu George nari nzi pe George nari nzi yari umuntu w'umugabo uhangana
You
agakomera
have to be strong.
ukeneye gukomera George
Your children are counting on you.
kubera ko abana bawe ni we bishingikirijeho nka papa sibyo ngo ni Yamani na Dennis
To take care of Olga, too.
kandi ugomba no kwita kuri urwo umugore wawe
I know.
ndabizi sawa
Also,
ikindi
if it's not to do with Ali, we shouldn't see each other anymore.
nimba atazajya bari ikibazo gifite aho gihuriye na Yamani Ali
What's wrong?
je nawe ntabwo tuzongera kubona
Nothing's wrong.
kubera iki nta kibazo gihari
It's just better this way.
ariko byaba byiza bigenze gutyo atari kesi ya Yamani Ali je nawe ntabwo tuzongera kubonana Sho. yabibonye ko ibi bintu biri kuzamo kururu itari sawa itari ngombwa shaho
Guys, what's the latest?
nabo hakuno kuri gereza
Please, Mr. Lawyer. Please don't let the girl spend the night in the cell.
tubwire ko bari abakobwa batari burare muri gereza
The kids who were beaten up won't press charges. Let them try if they want. Excuse me.
ibyo biraterwa n'ababarezi
Isa-
barashaka ikizimuye
Well,
munyangane
they actually here in jail because they beat up some dudes?
cyabari muri gereza kubera hari ibigoryi
Alice is with them. What do you expect?
ariko se nimba Alice bari kumwe ubundi tekereza ko byagenze gute Alice wabona yatimbuye umuntu akaba ariyo mpamvu babafunze
Unfortunately, the balance in our family has been disturbed, yes. But this is merely a setback.
urabizi byahoze hagati y'umuryango wanjye n'uwawe
No, I know.
byari ibintu bisanzwe ariko bitangiye kugenda bihinduka ndabizi
You found a heart for your daughter.
ese mwaje kubona umutima w'umukobwa wawe
The transplant took place.
wabahaye umutima nyine
I'm so happy.
ni ukuri byaranshimishije narabyumvishe pe
Thank you.
urakoze
What now?
none ubu hakurikiyeho iki
Shall we wish luck to the others, too?
twifurizanye amahirwe n'imigisha njye nawe tumenye ko dutandukanye se burundu shyiraho uyu nguyu telefone irasoma ihangane muhamagaye
Relax.
tuza mwana watukwitabye telefone byagenze bite
Yes, lawyer, make it short.
yego
Miss
munyamategeko
Carla. She was having girls' night out.
karera yari yasohotse
Fight.
ari kumwe n'abandi bakobwa
Is
bararwana
Carla okay?
karera ameze
They're
neza
fine.
bameze
In
neza
custody right now. But they will be out soon. There's nothing to worry about.
baraza gusohoka mu kanya gato nuko nari mbikumenyesheje ntugire ikibazo
Is there one real man out of all of you, huh? Huh?
bikora kimwe nimwe mwakubise bariya bakobwa kiratongana no aba barumirwa gikunda karira
What's going on?
iki kibazo ariko
A friend of Carlos, Caesar.
hano hari inshuti ya karira iri guteza akavuyo bita Kayizari Siza ariko Siza uriya mutindi uriya mukene uriya muhanya uyu aramwanga shawo kiriya kigoryi
Mr. Sirhan, are you okay?
umeze neza Steven Serihani Steven Serihani
Mr. Zachary,
Mr. Zakari
we talked before, if you remember.
twigeze tubiganiraho na mbere
Wanted to know if there was anything you could do
uri kumbaza nimba hari ikintu wamfasha
troubling my daughter.
ngo kugira ngo nkemure ibibazo by'umwana wanjye
Who
w'umukuru
is he?
biroroshye ariko
Well, he doesn't live up to his name.
rero ikibazo uwo mukinga nta n'izina rya danje afite ntago abereyeho izina rye nyine uwo mukinga uri kubangamira umukobwa wanjye
It's
sibyo
enough. I don't want my daughter to be at odds with me over some punk.
sinshaka rero ko umukobwa wanjye azajya ahorana na kiriya kigoryi kiraho cyasamye
Don't worry.
wigira ikibazo ibyo nabyo ndaza kubigukemurira ngo tayari bamuteje abantu nde Kayizari Siza bamuteje abantu bamuteje uyu mugabo Zakari cyangwa Zaki Ladima harya Zakari Ladima cyangwa Zaki Ladima abari hakuno bategereje ko babafungura do ni Yamani ni Alex
Thank you, brother.
Ah,
I'm glad it's over.
there.
Kayizari barabasfunguye hakuno do.
Wonderful job, girls.
Mwakoze akazi keza
You have
bako.
no idea how proud I am.
Mwe ntago muzi ukuntu ntewe ishema namwe
Hey,
barwanya ariko
Russ.
yanjye nginegire. Yaza hakuno.
Are you
Alex na Kariro umeze neza.
Were you hurt?
Na Alicia sorry, Alex na Alicia umeze neza. Yego.
okay?
Wowe umeze neza. Buri umwe n'icyana cy'undi n'icyana cye. Cyemeze neza.
I'm learning to protect myself, just like you wanted.
Muri iyi minsi ndi kwiga kwirinda nk'uko
I'm
wabishakaga.
stronger through my suffering.
Ndetse ngomba gukomera kurusha uko mbabara.
So you don't need anybody. That's good.
Byiza ubwo nta muntu wakubabaje nta n'uwugikeneye.
I mean, if it happens again,
If you're
hit back of the knee, okay?
Ubutaha uzavuzingira inyuma mu ivi uhita umupfukamisha hasi ukubite. Kibimubwira baramuzinga. Ikigoryiwe gutya. Ababona Yamani atangiye kujya arya utuntu twa njonogo gake. Yamani bari kumutera njonogo gake. Baramujiduye.
Like this.
Nka kuriya kabisa.
Good. At least I won't be left behind.
Byiza.
What does that mean, left behind?
Nizere ko utari busigare inyuma. Kuki ngo ntasigare inyuma?
Rhea, what's going on?
Aguma lift ahita yigendera. Acaho ni Yamani. Ahita yikomereza. Yamukinga.
And it isn't good.
Aba bareba. Yakatiwe kuri anniversary ye. Yamani aracyamurakariye aracyari kwishaza.
amount for this house, I'd say.
That was a good bargain. If you say yes,
Amafaranga
we-
mwaduciye ni meza twumvikanye. Nimubyemera turahita tubishyura muvemo mugenzi. Bari kugurisha inzu.
Yes, George, did you
Yego
like
George.
Yes, we're just walking up to the car now.
Mwigeze mugera ku kibuga cy'indege cyane ubu turageze tugeze ku modoka.
You can talk to him now. Your mother wants to know how you...
Yego ngarashaka ko muvugana uyu musore aragiye.
I'm fine.
Manje yemeze neza.
Don't worry.
Ntugire
I love
ikibazo.
you so much, you brat.
Wacyana ndagukunda cyane.
Give it to me.
Ndagukunda mama.
Is there anything else to tell
Hari
me?
ikindi ushaka kumbwira?
George,
George.
there is something.
Hari ikindi?
Received a very good offer on the house.
Twari twabonye umuntu ushaka kugura ya nzu.
You just give me the go-ahead and I'll do the deal.
Sinzi nimba uri bunyemerere ukambwira ngo nyigurishe birangire. Sinzi iyi nzu afitemo inzibutso nyinshi zimwibutsa Natalie.
Yes, I'm here.
Menye ari naho yatereye inda ya
If you think
Yamani.
it's the best choice, then go ahead.
Nimba ariyo mahirwe meza wumvishije amafaranga bari kuguha amafaranga afatika ntari inzu wayigurisha.
You both.
Love you.
Nakunda nawe ndagukunda. Nakunda.
Let's proceed with the deal.
Do you have
Reka
any
dukomeze turangize deal.
here, Miss Olga?
Muri iriya nzu se
Asking-
Madamazera Ruga nta bintu birimo mushaka kuvanamo cyangwa iki?
They are.
Nabyo tubigure
Nyende.
nabyo mubigure kabisa birimo nta kintu na kimwe mvanamo bya binebe bya bibiki. Nabyo mubigure. Nabyo babigure kumbe twigarukira hano.
Natalie,
Natalie,
something is wrong with you. You've been
ikibazo
struggling ever since you arrived.
kuva wagera hano.
Are you going to fire me again?
Sorry kuva nagera hano.
No,
Twe mbona utayishimye ugiye kongera kunyirukana oya. Oya.
I have a question. When I walked into Dr. Anya's room,
Hari ikibazo mfite nari nshaka kukubaza. Ejo ubwo nazaga kureba umuganga.
I saw the ultrasound.
Nabonye
I'm aware
bari
that
kugupima inda. Narabibonye kutwite, sibyo?
I know it
Ndabizi.
must be very difficult after the loss of Matt.
Bishobora kuba ari ibintu bigoranye nyuma y'uko Matt apfuye umugabo wawe.
What I'm not
Sinzi.
is the
It's
baby.
Matt's.
Ese umwana
It's Matt's.
ni uwa Matt utambaza ibintu byinshi.
Are you going to terminate it?
Iyi nda se uzayivanamo cyangwa? Ni umucuti we nubwo bagiranye beef ari namubona ukabona umuntu arazikeneye yego.
That's the plan.
Niyo gahunda kabisa.
I remembered this. I told you first when I was pregnant with Ali.
Bwa mbere ubwo nakubwiraga ko ntwite ari niwe nabiganirije.
You're so supportive of me.
Byaragutunguye nkuko nanjye nari natunguwe.
I decided to keep Ali, and I'm glad I did. I want you to
Ndetse
read
nafashe umwanzuro wo kuvuga ngo inda nyigumishemo. Ni nuko byageze nubwo byambabaje.
as I see it.
Nkurikije uko mbibona.
Baby could be a blessing to your family.
Uyu mwana ashobora kuza ari umugisha mu muryango wawe.
Just for you. I think it would be good for Rhea as well.
Apana kuri we gusa ahubwo no kuri Liya umaze gupfusha se byibura abonye kari umunaka.
My mind, Natalie.
Ntago ndabifataho umwanzuro Natalie.
If Matt were still alive,
Iyo Matt aba akiri muzima. Uyahita yinjira Liya yabumvaga. Liya yabumvaga.
Rhea,
Yeah.
Are you really pregnant?
Koko uratwite mama cyangwa ntabwo aba mwizeye.
I'll leave you alone
Reka mbe mbaretse mwembi mwenyine mu biganireho
before you decide.
gusa utekereze mbere yo gufata umwanzuro wo gukuramo iyo nda mu magambo make nk'ari icyo amubwiye mbere y'uko wavanamo iyo nda ubitekerezeho. Gusa twe turabizi ko inda atari iya Amba wapfuye ahubwo inda ari iya Steven.
Rhea, I never
Yeah.
intended on you knowing.
Sinashaka ubimenya.
Who is the baby's father?
Ise w'uwo mwana ninde?
Who?
Cheka yaba ninde wuzi?
Of course.
Ni papa wawe wa mwana.
You'll never believe me, will you?
Ntabwo ushaka kunyizera do.
Don't worry, though.
Sana ribi.
I'll get an abortion, so
Ndaza kuyikuramo n'ubundi nta
we'll have
byadanje.
a worry about it.
Si ngombwa ko iyo ndi guhangayika.
Do this if it's Dad's baby.
None kuki uraba uyikuyemo iyo nda kandi ari iya papa? Niba ari umwana wa papa.
Because
Kubera
I've already failed one child.
kubera ko umwana umwe
I can't fail a second.
kumurera byarananiye rero uwa kabiri aje musinzi uko byagenda.
Don't do that.
Ntuyikuremo mama.
That baby.
Uwo mwana
Most important thing Dad left behind.
umenye ko aricyo kintu cy'agaciro byibura papa asize inyuma.
You were talking about being a family again.
Si wowe wambwiraga ibintu byo kongera kuba umuryango.
Maybe the baby.
Ahari wenda ahari uwo mwana wabona aricyo kintu cyaza kikunga umuryango wacu. Mwibuke nabo ntibameranye neza kuva muze yapfa. Ntabwo babanye mu mahoro. Do.
Okay.
Sawa.
Okay, I'll keep it.
Sawa. Inda ndaza kuyigumishamo.
If that's going to make you my daughter again.
Nimba ibyo byibura byatuma wongera ukambera umukobwa wanjye. Ukongera ukambera umwana. Hari binda ndayigumishamo gusa twe turabizi ko inda ari iya Steven. Inda ni iya Stefano. Kwereka hakuno hari taxi iri hano vani. Hari vani iri hano bari gupakiramo abantu.
Everyone is here, right? Is there
Yeah man, abantu mwese bose baje racha.
Okay, brother, get in there.
Sabwe mwese mwinjire.
And you?
Wowe se?
You go ahead.
Mwene mugende ndaje ni mugende nimba ari kubohereza. Yabazaniye imodoka nirabapakira. Cho. Yep. Hamwe babana baba marine mwirigara ryabo babaga bari bose.
Hello, this is Yamin Ali Soysalam.
Yego ni Yamin Ali Soysalam.
Zachary received the address for the event.
Mwigeze mubona address hano event iri bubere naboherereje.
I sent it to him through an email.
Nayiboherereje kuri email.
Yes.
Cheko.
We're looking forward to seeing him.
Twari twiteguye ko dushobora kuza kumubona. Zaki Ladima.
Alice, run!
Sasa twari kuvuga ngo Zaki Ladima kibuka. Ko byagenze wa munsi sinzi ukuntu byagenze. Baje hakuno. Kugera hano ni ikibazo biranga. Zakuna gushatira hano. Gufatira hakuno ikintu cy'igipira mena ikirahure. Mena ikirahure yari yamani byari kera.
May I go first?
Go!
Mwana mbanza gende.
Run! Run!
Irukanga we genda. Yesigaye hakuno ajya gushaka agashiki kiwe. Garutse hakuno aje gushaka n'agashiki kiwe hano mu nzu. Ari kubyibuka n'ibintu ari kwibuka. Yamani. Sinzi uko byarangiye icyo gihe kumbe hakuno abana b'inzu bayigurishije. Ubwo tayari gahunda ni ukwimuka. Jano kureba muri butu y'imodoka hari amakarita arimo iyi. Saa kuno kureba mu makarita ari muri butu y'imodoka. Ebe kureba hano hari ibintu Steven yaje kubika na Imini George yaje kubikamo hano. twa tuntu twose twa Natali twabaga muri iriya nzu yarajya duhurahuriza ahantu hamwe abizana hakuno ashyira muri butu. Uyu yaraje abivanamo arabigarura, yabivanyemo arabigarura bizana ajugunya hakuno. Oruga
Damn it, Yaman.
Chairman wa Mukingo yari guhamagara Yaman, telefone ye yanze.
Where have you been? I was about to call you.
Waruriye ko nari nje kugwa.
Had a lot of things to do.
Nari mfite akazi kenshi. Okay.
My father's here.
Papa njari
Sound absurd, but it's really important for me. Don't be nervous. Come.
Wenda ndagutunguye sugira ubwoba nubwo je ntari nabipanga.
He's in the mafia.
Mudahuye byaba ari ikibazo.
He isn't.
Papa wawe se wambwiye ngo ni umumafia siko bambwiye.
Okay.
Sawa.
All right, I'll meet him.
Chende ngenzi kuri nje ngwino muhure mwibuka uyu musore Theo nawe akunda Alicia nawe aragakunda mukuntu. Nawe aragakunda nyine tu. Yarakazanye ngo gahure na se.
Full voice. Alice.
Papa dore uyu ni wa mukobwa nakubwira guzi kuririmba kurusha abandi bose. Uze hakuno tu. Aba yifunze. Zakira Dima.
Nice to meet you.
Byiza guhura nawe muko. Alicia iki kigabo arakizi icyo kiri. Akiri mutoya. Iki kigabo arakizi. Sinzi ukuntu byagenze ariko nje icyo nzi cyo nuko bitagenze neza tu. Yaramurebye n'impeta arayibona arayibuka. Abura n'imbaraga zikora ikigabo mu ntoki. Yarabyibutse ubwo kana kari kwitsa ibyano. Arwaje aratabara ni Yamani.
Alice, come.
Alice ngwino tugende. Ngwino tugende.
Hurry up.
Kira tugende mwana.
Where are you going?
Ugiye mwabana. Bana bagize gutyo.
Where are you going? Come on.
Basohotse gutyo. Tugende mwana, tugende utwana twasohotse gutyo do.
Alice? Alice, you okay?
Alice umeze neza? Kigabo kibonye arakibuka.
I need some air.
Uzi n'ikindi nkeneye gufata kuka, nkeneye gukurura kuka, nkeneye akuka. Kigabo sinzi bifu bafitanye akizi odo. Sotse gutyo n'ubwoba bwinshi sinzi ariko yatorotse karirukanka.
The deposit is in the account. The house is yours, Mr.
Inzu ni yawe, ibintu byose byara Karabaye. Natali niwe waguze yazo yo kwa ba George.
The former owners don't know anything about me.
Nizere ko wahoze ari nyiri inzu nta kindi kintu abizi.
Acting as per all your instructions.
We twabikoze nk'uko wari wabitubwiye.
You're welcome.
Byiza cyane. Iyi nzu ni yawe, ubu nta kindi kibazo gihari. Gasana. Natali yaguze ya nzu. Ba George bari bari kugurisha, Natali yayiguze. Natali nawe bisa nkaho agikunda George. Kandi cyane kugera nubwo yafashe umwanzuro wo kugura n'inzu. Ba George bimutsemo. Geze hano. No. Hakuno. Cheze mu nzu. Inzu menye niyo bamutereyemo inda ya Yamani tu. Simbizi neza ariko niko mbikeka. Aje mu nzu ni Natali. yayigezemo nawe ayifitemo byinshi biyimwibutsa dore kakuno ngo yaje hano ni Kayizari niwe uri kugenda muri iyi modoka muri iyi minsi amaze kubyimba siza.
What's up?
Kibazo
Surgeon.
Tagenze bite kwa Yuri?
Do you remember what I told you?
Uribuka amagambo nakubwiye?
Horse relieving itself?
Yes, man, I remember.
Ndabyibuka.
Busy, for God's sake, get to the...
Umva ndahuze wa mujinga we.
Here comes the point now.
Dore ba basore baraje. Ugira ngo si cyo ni ikibazo dore ngaba ari abaraje.
Who are they?
Bariya se ni ba?
They are at the point.
Bariya nibo nakubwiraga.
So Caesar?
Niwe Caesar. Dore nu.
You're coming with us.
Ngwino tujyane.
Who are you?
Wiruka Steven ari kumuraburiza. Urinde se.
What's wrong?
Mujinga ni mumujyane mwana mujyane inzererezi.
Wait a minute.
Buretse.
He has something that belongs to me.
Uwo mujinga hari ibintu byanjye afite mubimpereza. Ko ntacyo barayimwaka.
Help you kill, you punk.
Bye urabeho sha urabeho. Bye urabeho. Bamucanyeho gutyo. Siza. Ko bamucanye. Aba hakuno. Sigaye hano. Yep.
Hello, Selena.
Selena.
Yes?
Diego.
You're clear about the abortion, right?
Harya wari watse gukuramo inda?
Mission on the schedule for tomorrow.
Ndakeka ejo byakorwa. Nta kibazo. Umva.
I thought it over.
Nonje mbitekerezaho.
I can't do it.
Ntago nabikora inda yanjye ndayigumishamo.
Being the best.
Yari yafashe umwanzuro wo gukora swap.
Okay.
N'abamama ariko ngo musigiye mukora swap we ko mutandabuye.
See you.
Sawa yarakoze bye.
Selena?
Fashe umwanzuro wo kudakuramo inda. Selena. Steven yumva. Iki?
Whose baby is it that you...
Indu twite uwo mwana ni uwande?
Is it mine?
Ni uwanje.
How are you? I'm fine, thank you.
Umeze gute? Tumeze sawa. Kumbe hakuno hari bubere kwandira yizingi. No.
Shh.
Abakire bari buze kwitanga amafaranga yo gufasha abana bo ku muhanda babakire.
Here.
Ese yamana Alex.
I saw money in the air. That's a good day for some.
Munsi ni mwiza amafaranga ndi kuyahumurirwa mu mwuka.
Mother.
Relax, Mom. Everything's fine.
Tuzo ariko bintu biraza kumira.
Because he should be making a speech.
Yakabaye yaje hano ari gutanga speech mama tuzo.
Brother and I have prepared for this.
Jewe nawe twabiteguriye hamwe we humura nta kibazo.
Okay.
What are you waiting for?
Utegereje iki?
The hell are you bastards waiting for?
Shikwaryo mwe mutegereje iki mwabigorje mwe bamufashe niyo.
Huh?
Kayizari.
Have the balls for it. Don't you? If you
get mufite zatinyuka kubyikorera.
Show me if you have the balls.
Mubigereke nimba muzifite se nimba mushoboye mufite gutinyuka.
You're pathetic.
Abigorje.
Come on. Let's get this over with.
Mubikore se nyine mubikore. Hakuno do. Mubikore se mubikore.
Who the hell is this?
Uriya ni cyane.
Following the big boss?
Uriya niwe boss wanyu se niwe wigizije niwe wadanje niwe ndigabo.
Let him. I'm not scared of any of you.
Jena muntu numwe ntinya.
Of any of you?
Mwese simbatinya.
I don't give a rat's ass about
Simbitayo. Yabakinga mwe murakapfa murakahambirwa.
Got a lot of kid. Good show.
Hakuno do. Yuko bakamwambuye kureba ikigabo arakizi cyo ntago kibibuka abana barakuze yarakirebye isiza arikanga Kayizari yarebye umugabo nawe arikanga do
Come on.
taje kwibuka ibyabaye kera mwana musimbuke mwana simbuka mwana simbuka uze tugende Kayizari ikigabo cyaraje kiragafata kasiza Nibuke Yamani na Kalishi bari bacitse ikigabo cyaraje kiragafata. baraje bafata kasiza bagasubizayo.
They told me you were a brave one, kid.
Warambwiye ngo ufite umutima ukomeye wa mwana.
Caesar.
Caesar we, siko bambwiye. Yuko nagare wamugize wa danger.
To your name.
Nabunganizi bariko izina ryawe ntago rikuvugira kabisa.
Fine.
Sawa.
But a child should fear his elders a bit, right?
N'abana mujye mutinya abantu bakuru mw'abana.
He shouldn't pester their sons. He shouldn't chase after their daughters.
Ntukirukanka inyuma y'abakobwa b'abakire n'inyuma y'abana b'abakire. Nanyu uri imbobo. Number.
This is my last warning to you, kid. Stay away from my son Theo. His spoiler son and his daughter. Or face you'll see before you die.
Izi ni zingahe humuka. Izi ni zingahe humuka mujinga. Kigabo hakuno. Ebe. Ngabo yageze gutya. Arangije cyo. Isaac Ladima cyangwa se Zakali. Cyo. Uyacitse n'intege. Iki kigabo sinzi ibintu cyabakoreye ariko icyo nzi cyo cyabakoreye ntago ari byiza tu. Nimba cyari burungushe kuri
Where is he?
Sasa hakuna bangabo nabo. Alex bategereje yamane bamuzi. Alex.
What the hell are you doing?
Uri gukora ibiki?
I keep calling and your brother isn't picking up.
Nahere karema makara umuvandimwe wawe ntago ari kunyitaba bitebye.
To be here.
Yakaba yari hano.
He'll be here very soon, Mom.
Mama araza kugera hano mu kanya gatoya we humura. Humura kabisa we wumva utuje. Humura. Sho. Alex.
Welcome everybody.
Murakaza neza mwese.
Normally, the new president would be here.
Mu busanzwe ubundi perezida mushasha akaba ari hano. Ariko ntiyabashije kuba.
Donating money like all of you.
Twese twaje hano kwitanga dutanga amafaranga yo gufasha abana bo ku muhanda nkuko mubizi.
Because he chose a much more costly path. My brother.
Umuvandimwe wanje. Uyakishima abana muri iminsi bameranye neza.
My brother Yaman.
Umuvandimwe wanje Yaman.
Is not like you.
Ntago ameze nkamwe mwese.
Always be a savage.
Iteka yahoze ari umunyagasozi.
That's why he asked me to prepare a video.
Niyo mpamvu yansabye ngo ntegure video.
So, let's watch it together.
Reka rero iyo video tuyirebane. Mama arikanga. Wabona ari za video z'aba bana koko. Wabona ari za video z'aba bana.
First of all, I thank my brother for helping me organizing this.
Mbere na mbere ndashimira umuvandimwe wanje wamfashije gutegura ibi bintu.
I would like to thank all of you for
ndetse nagira ngo mwese
patience you've given.
mbashimire kubw'ibyo mwagiye mutanga.
I'm sure a lot of money has been collected.
Ndabizi ko amafaranga afatika mwamaze kuyakusanya.
Conscience is clear.
Ndetse n'umutima nama wanyu babibategetse uba wakoze neza.
But street children don't have the luxury.
Ariko abana b'imihanda nta mutungo bagira.
Smiles on their faces.
Nta gaciro bagira.
They're only smiling because they don't have parents like your children to cheer them up whenever they cry.
Impamvu abana bo ku muhanda baseka nuko baba bazi ko batameze nk'abana banyu bafite ababyeyi bari bubasetse. Bo baseka kuko babisabwa.
As you know, I know the life well. And I'm very curious. So, have you ever looked a street child in the eye? Want you to look today.
Ndagira ngo uyu munsi mureba abana b'imihanda mu maso. Murebane nabo. Mubareba abo bana b'imihanda. Kibazo. Alex yaje hakuno kira gutya kugura umuryango kumbe babana bose yamaniye cyagategera bisi babana bose yacishijemo bisi igenda bakusanya mu marigara yabazanye hakuno do ariko harimo n'ibigabo.
We don't just fight hunger on the streets. We're beaten.
Twebwe ku muhanda ntabwo turwana n'inzara, turayakira. Hakuno
Our organs are taken.
impyiko bakazituvanamo.
We are abused.
Turahohoterwa pe, bakatuvanamo impyiko, bakatuvanamo imyijima, abana bavuye imihanda.
And we are killed.
Hakuno
But despite everything,
gusa nyuma ya byose
we resist.
turahangana.
We hold out hope.
Tukagumana ibyiringiro. Kageze mu rugo kabonye ikigabo baziranye kera icyo batanzi yamane bamaze igihe kinini akizi.
We learn to keep our tears inside.
Twiga guhisha amarira yacu ntatemba akatugumamo.
So that we can't be seen as weak.
Kugira ngo tutagaragara nk'abanyantege nke.
This is why we rebel.
Niyo mpamvu tuba tumeze gutya. Hakuno kakaraje kararira, karabyine kakabitama amarira sinzi. Kalishia. Hakuno. Numva ko kari muri ibyo no muri dushu na wari marare boroga. Nimba byaramugendekeye bite simbizi. Rero ukaba mufata siza. Nimba byaraje kugenda bite ahuye n'ikigabo bayirukanaga kera yatashye yakonje. Za confidence yabaga afite ya maryo yose byamushizemo do.
We don't want to be seen as afraid.
Ntabwo tuba dushaka kugaragara nk'abanyantege nke.
So today,
ariko uyu munsi
I want you to meet my family from the streets.
ndagira ngo muhure n'umuryango wanjye nakuranye nawe imihanda. Hakuno abakire
Don't ignore them anymore.
mutazongera kubirengagiza nk'aho ari inzererezi cyangwa batari abantu nk'ama.
Very much. I know you will too.
Genda bakunda cyane kandi ndabizi ko namwe muri buze
To die for them.
ndetse nje nanabapfira.
Even kill for them.
ndetse usibye no kubapfira nanakwica kubera bo.
About you?
Ahubwo mwebwe muri kureba ibi bintu muriteguye. Mwe mwabibakorera ibyo bintu cyangwa sinzi. Filime witunze gace gace muri ya marigara izakarita hamwe b'abana bakuriye. Imodoka nziza yahaparikaga. Imodoka nziza yaparikaga hakuno. Bebe. Imodoka nziza yazaga guparika hakuno. Ko yakaje guparika yanaza gufunga ipangu. Ukavuga ngo agiye koherereza umukire aderese yaho fundraising iri bubere. Gusa umukire ntayo we twahabonye. Bivuze ngo yamana ashobora kuba muyoboye hakuno. Ahita nafunga ashyiraho n'ingufuri. Biha ikibuga babiganiyeho. Hari business nyinshi batasoje. Hari myinshi mu mishinga batanogeje. Hakuno do. Asani. Jamana arangije akura imbunda hakuno. Jamana akura imbunda hakuno. Banye imbunda inyuma y'ikigabo sinzi ngo biragenda bite. Sinzi ngo birarangira bite. Bibutse iyi filime ica kuri decoder ya Star Times kuri Ganza TV buri munsi kuva saa 1 kugera saa 2. Ciao ciao bye bye see you.